Did you know your body stops producing collagen as early as your 20s? By the time you're 40, you've lost over 25% of your collagen. But what if I told you there's a way to restore it, and maybe even reverse some signs of aging? Welcome to FemWell Fusion, your go-to channel for women's holistic health and wellness. If you've been wondering whether collagen supplements are just hype, or if they're truly the key to youthful skin, strong joints, and better health, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the collagen craze, separating fact from fiction and uncovering exactly what you need to know before you jump on the bandwagon. Stick around, because I'm also sharing insider tips on how to choose the best collagen for your body. Here's the deal. Collagen isn't some magical cure-all, but it's also not just a passing trend. The truth? Not all collagen supplements are created equal, and most people are using them wrong. Let's start with the basics. What is collagen, and why does it matter? Think of collagen as the glue that holds your body together. It's responsible for keeping your skin plump, your hair strong, your nails healthy, and even your joints pain-free. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Our natural collagen production starts to decline in our mid-20s, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and even joint discomfort. For starters, let's discuss the benefits of collagen. Collagen isn't just for beauty, it's for your whole body. Studies show it can improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, and even strengthen your bones and joints. Ever noticed how your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to? That's collagen loss at work. Supplementing with collagen can help reverse these effects. Now, about the different types of collagen. Did you know there are over 20 types of collagen? However, types 1, 2, and 3 are the most important for health and beauty. Type 1. Think skin, hair, and nails. It's the beauty collagen. Type 2. Perfect for joint health and flexibility. Type 3. Works alongside Type 1 to support skin firmness and elasticity. Many products combine these types, so be sure to check the label. So then, how do you choose the best collagen supplement? Not all collagen supplements are created equal. Here's what to look for. Hydrolyzed collagen, or collagen peptides, for better absorption. Sourced from grass-fed or wild-caught animals to ensure quality. Added vitamin C to boost collagen synthesis in your body. Finally, the biggest myths about collagen? Here's one you've probably heard. You can just eat collagen-rich foods instead of supplements. While bone broth and fish skin are great, supplements are far more concentrated and effective. And if you're ready to start your collagen journey, we've found a trusted supplement that checks all the boxes. Link in the description for our top pick. Trust me, your skin and joints will thank you. So, is collagen really the fountain of youth? Not quite, but it's one of the most powerful tools we have to fight aging from the inside out. The key is consistency and choosing the right product for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more science-backed health and wellness tips. And share this with a friend who's ready to glow from the inside out. See you in the next video.